Hello guys, it's Johnny time and welcome to another DeFi tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the new PancakeSwap Lottery version 2. They just launched it several days ago and we're gonna go through it, understand what it is, and also even buy a lottery ticket, and maybe we'll have some luck and win some cakes. And of course I will update here on the comments if I won or not, or maybe we'll make another video, we will see. But first, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, click the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification button, so every time I post new tutorial about DeFi, about crypto, strategy, something technical, something less technical, maybe I introduce some kind of new technology, you can watch it first. So now let's go and look at a new lottery. I love their new design. Look how nice it looks. So you have here on the left side of PancakeSwap. If you don't know what PancakeSwap, don't worry. I have other videos for completely beginners, but in that video we're gonna cover only the lottery, only this new kind of feature that they just released. So basically in the lottery you can buy tickets like a normal lottery and win. Upon winning on winning numbers you can earn more cake. So here we can see the lottery on the left side, and look, now the prizes are almost $500,000, so we can buy tickets. In a moment we'll buy some tickets, but let's take a look and understand how the new version 2 works and how it's different from the previous one. So you can get your tickets now, and there is a draw every 12 hours. Every 12 hours it will be reset, and there will be a pot where all the cake tokens, all the tickets that people purchased will be added into the pot. Right now the pot is almost $500,000, almost $500,000 in terms of cake price. You can see that it's in total 30k, almost 31k cakes tokens, and the next draw gonna be in around 3 hours on July 7th, 2 p.m. in my Singapore time zone. So right now we don't have any tickets because we didn't buy any tickets, but we can click here to purchase tickets. But wait, we will do it in the future, in this video, in like several minutes, because first we're gonna understand how it works and how we can actually make money out of it. So let's look at the details. So here on the details we can actually see what are the winning, how you can win the tokens. So first one, basically right now, if we match one number we win 309 cakes, which is around $5,000. And if we match two, of course we make more, 3, 4, 5, 6, and if we match all 6 numbers in the right order we can win actually almost 200k grants, 200k US dollars, around 12,000 cakes. And of course every round, this is the nice thing for cake holders, for long-term believers on cake token and PancakeSwap, every round is being burned this kind of amount of cake, around 20% or 30% cake. In that round they're gonna burn 100k US dollars in terms of cake, and it's not yet, it will be probably much more because more people are gonna buy tickets, so more cake is gonna get burned. Here you can check if you won cake tokens. I never, using this wallet, I never purchased any tickets, I never participated in this V2, so right now I don't have any prices. But if you participated and bought tokens, tickets, lottery tickets, you will see all the prizes right here. Right here you will see all the previously round. You can see your personal previously participation in the lottery, all the tickets. If you won anything you will see it here. Right now I don't have any history, or all history right now it's not available yet, but probably they will launch it soon, so you can see all the history of the lottery previous rounds. So basically how to play, very simple. If the tickets on your ticket match the winning number, and also it's very important to remember in the correct order, so you might have the same numbers but they are not on the correct order, then you will not win the prizes. You have to match the numbers in the right correct order, then you will win a portion of the prize pool. Depends of how many correct numbers in the correct orders you have. If you have one number, then you will get a small share. If you have 6 numbers, all the numbers, then you will have the biggest share, which is insane, almost half of the pot. So first you will have to buy tickets. Every time the ticket price will be different once the round starts. They are trying to aim to $5 per ticket. We know that in the past, one ticket would cost one cake token, and it was very expensive for some people when cake token reached $40 per token. Imagine for just participating in the lottery, you will need to pay $40. You cannot participate in a lower amount. Right now the price is $5, which is much less and much affordable, and it will always be $5. So they will adjust the price of the cake that you will need to buy, the price for a ticket for cake, so it will match $5 every round. Every 12 hours there will be a draw, so we'll have to wait for the next draw. And once the draw is executed, the random numbers, we know that it's not completely random because we cannot have 100% randomness in blockchain and Solidity and smart contracts, but it's very close to it using Chainlink technology. So then you can check your prizes, you see what are the winning numbers, and check your numbers against the winning numbers. And if you won, congratulations, you won a lot of cake tokens. So let's see how you can win. Basically, you have 6 numbers that are gonna be chosen. Every number will be between 1 to 9, a single digit number, basically single digit number, and the digit on your tickets must match the correct order. Again, it must be the correct order. For example, let's say you have one ticket, the first 3 digits and the last 2 digits match, but the 4th digit is wrong. So basically your ticket will be considered as one only 3 digits. This is the example number A. So you can see that in that case the winning numbers are 9, 1, 3, 6, 6, 2. Your ticket is 1, 9, 1, 3, 9, 6, 2. So this is the winning numbers, the 9, 1, 3, because the 9 here broke your winning numbers. That this kind of 2 winning numbers does not matter because it will need to be in the right order. So this is the biggest order that you matched, 9, 1, 3. So you will match the pot. You will be shared with all the other winners on the pot for the 3 matches number. So all the ones who match the 9, 1, 3 will share this kind of pot. Ticket B, for example, even though the last 5 digits match, the first digit is wrong, so the ticket does not win a prize. So you will have to win it from the left to the right. So in that case, unfortunately, we'll win nothing because you missed the first hit. The fact that 1, 9, 6, 6, 2 is the right numbers, but it's not correct because you need to do it from the start. So this ticket is gonna lose. Yeah, so again, prize brackets do not stack. If you match the first 3 digits in order, you will only win prizes from the match 3 brackets and not from match 1. So this is this example. So let's say if you won 9, 1, 3, you will not win twice. You will not win the match 3 and then the match 2, only the biggest match from the left, the match 3. So let's see how the pot is being divided. Basically, the prizes, all the prizes comes from how the pot is being added. So first, ticket purchases. Everyone that buys tickets with $5 each, the cake tokens will be added to the next round, to the pot, okay? Another thing that happens that every round, let's say nobody win the 6 straight numbers or 4th or 5. If no one matched, let's say, the 6 numbers or 5, every match that did not won in the previous round, all the cake tokens will be transferred to the next round automatically, which means that sometimes, depend on luck, depend on randomness, there will be some pots, some rounds that will be more attractive because some previous rounds, basically, people did not want this kind of cake tokens and the cakes have been forwarded to the next round, okay? Another cool thing that happens is that there are cake injections. Basically, there is the treasury. The treasury is where all the cake tokens of the developers are being stored, and basically every round, basically, they inject 10,000 tokens, 10,000 cake tokens into the pot. So just not only the people who bought the cake tokens and the cakes that being forwarded from the previous one, there are additional 10,000 cake tokens that the developers, the project owners, send and inject to the pot in order to make the price more attractive. So that's how it works. If you are not yet familiar with it, you have some problems, you can also go to this link, how to play, to the documentation for like more in-depth explanation. Also, they have another cool thing that you can buy bulk purchase. You can buy multiple lottery tickets on the same transaction, and if you bought more than one, you will get some kind of discount. I will not explain it deeply. It's very easy, very straightforward. We will see it also now in the user interface, in the UX. How to win, prize eligibility, so you can see what is winning. It's the same example we just saw. This is basically the sharing, so you can see that if you match only one number, you will get 1% of the pool. Not only you, everyone who got it. So it's also important to remember, if you are the only one who matched the 6 numbers, then you will win 40% of the pool. But if it's you and 2 other people, then you will take this 50% of cake tokens and will be divided among all the 3 people who won the 6 matches. So this is basically the allocated tokens, allocated prize pool that is being reserved for the ones who match the 6 tokens. If no one won the 6 numbers, if no one won and matched the 6 numbers, this 40% prize allocation will be forwarded to the next round. So that's how it works, and every round 20% of cake is being burned, which is amazing for us, the cake holders. For long term, more and more cake is being burned, and it's added to the deflationary mechanism of cake tokens. Another tutorial, if you want to basically look at it, how to decide, you can look at the pool price, but let's go and start playing because that's what we are here for. So we're gonna buy tickets, but to buy tickets we need some cake tokens. Right now I don't have cake tokens in my wallet, so let's buy 1 cake token. So let's buy 1 cake token with some BUSD. So we're gonna buy 1 token. Buy 1 token. We will approve the BUSD in our MetaMask wallet. If you're not familiar with MetaMask and swapping, check out my channel. I have so many tutorials and examples about all these kind of fundamentals for PancakeSwap and how to swap tokens, liquidity, farms, everything that you need is just there. Done. We have our cake token. That's cool. Sorry, we just approved it. We're gonna swap now. So let's swap. Let's buy this juicy cake token. So the transaction is being sent. We'll have our cake token. That's okay. Now we go back to the lottery, buy some tickets. Let's see. So you can see that we can buy 1 ticket. It will cost us 0.33 cake because 1 token is $1. And maximum we can buy 3 tickets, right? You see that I have 0.1 bulk discount. So you know what? Let's make it. Let's buy some tickets. I'm not a gambler. I don't like to gamble, but just for the sake of the video, so we can see how it works, we will just buy 3 tickets and maybe we'll have some luck and win some prizes. I will update in the next video. So first I will enable the lottery contract to spend my cake tokens. Let's send a transaction so it will go through. And once enabled, I will be able to purchase my first lottery V2 tickets. Of course, it's not a financial advice. I'm not telling you that you should gamble. It's gambling. Remember, it's completely random. You don't have any control of it, but it's actually quite fair. So, okay. So actually, another cool thing that they introduced is that in the previous version, all the numbers, you got it randomly. But in that case, now you can choose and edit your numbers. So I can buy instantly or also edit my numbers. So what do you think? Should I edit the numbers? What are the numbers that will I choose? Randomize it? Good question. Let's randomize it. You know what? I don't have any kind of feeling about numbers. So I will just randomize it. Let's click 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. There you go. Confirm and buy. And we randomize it. You can change, you can choose whatever numbers you want. It's completely for your own choice. And I'm just gonna randomize it because I'm not very good with picking numbers. But let's see if I have some luck today. All right. There you go. Transaction is gone. Transaction is executed. And now, guys, congratulations. You see right now here that I have 3 tickets for this round. I can view the tickets, view the numbers right here. All right. You can buy more tickets if you want, but for me it's enough. I just wanted to show you how to buy tickets. And let's see, maybe I will win. Who knows? So I will see here right now, no history, but I will see in 3 hours and I will update you on the channel if we won the lottery or not. Goodbye. Thank you for joining me. I will really appreciate if you can like and share this video with your friends. Click the like button, comment if you have any questions to help the YouTube algorithm to expose this video to many more people that can learn about PancakeSwap and decentralized finance. Thank you so much and see you next time.